Its English name is takoyaki, I think. I'm not sure. I think this came from Japan. Flour, 面粉, eggs, maybe 鸡蛋, and octopus, 章鱼. I'm going to taste it now. Just had a very small piece of octopus. 刚刚吃了一点点的章鱼。It's a little sweet, 一点甜 a little salty, 一点点咸 and I think it's okay, 还可以 it's okay.
水果了。
拿一个抹茶的吧。
抹茶的。
抹茶的行不行？
可以。
那我给你加掉了，然后你自己来吗？
Cheers! It's really delicious. 太美味了。And this cup of 炒酸奶 fried yogurt, it only costs me like 11 RMB, less than $1. It's made of all kinds of nuts, 坚果 and mocha, 抹茶 covered with some beans, 红豆 and it's only 11 RMB. 只有11元 It's really worth this money. I think it's better than ice cream. It tastes like yogurt and ice cream, but not as sweet as ice cream. 没有冰激凌那么甜。Very healthy. 很健康。Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thanks again. 感谢观看。